Guys, Minecraft, but if I tell the truth, the video ends. I'm not gonna setting for a bit. Okay, what? A desert temple? This, not gonna be easy. A crafting table? What? Why do I have these things? Why do I don't have these things? My goal is to not find diamonds. Okay, let's not get some wood. First, let's not make it into day. Okay, now we're not gonna get some wood. I'm totally not being sus. Editor. Okay.
Gave me a lot of motivation po, kuya. Because I know na kilala niya po ako and alam niya po kung anong kaya ko po gawin.
I'm not totally giving myself.
Kasi dapat lang ito. Bakit kasi siya umalis ka? Eh, wala niya ako hinintay. Matapos marinig ng house.
I hate this.